Alright, so in the instructions, as you can see here, it's anybody's guess how far they want this to go into the breadboard. This is a slightly better, but again, can you stop it at the angle that you want to check it out? No. It'll keep spinning and you have to kind of guess. So there you have it. We'll try not to break it now. And you want to position it this way with the cable going this way, especially if you don't have the little battery that will power this thing. I think you can only get that when you buy this thing online and you become an Adafruit subscriber. I'm not sure if this is correct, but I'm hoping that it is, because I don't want to fry the circuits. Based on the picture, it should be correct, because A, B, and J, I believe that we're in the right spot, but I can't be 100% sure. Let's hope that this is right. And if not, then, you may see sparks when I turn this thing on. But hopefully not. Alright, so there's another thing that I just realized that I need to do again, which will be to put this through here first, underneath. With this setup, you need to put the cable in first, through here. To make sure that then, okay, alright. Now very carefully and gently, let's get these pins in. Not the easiest of tasks. I think the version that has the battery will be way easier than this. Or maybe we won't be able to do it until... I'm really worried about breaking these pins. Alright, get these pins in. How far did they need to go, by the way? I don't know that. Haven't done this before, so I am hoping that they will not be an issue. I've gone in again. You want to be extremely careful with this part of the process, because if you bend those pins, good luck soldering. I mean, look at how amazingly well they've been soldered in there. That must have been a machine. Those things are tiny. Alright. Solved all the problems. Okay, so that's what you do there. Okay, in the next video we'll try to start working on the cables, and hopefully we'll get that done too. Thanks for watching.